At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for equity investment involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and planning. Understand the legal and tax implications of forming an LLC in your jurisdiction. Determine the structure of your LLC, including how ownership, equity, will be divided among members. Decide on the name of your LLC and check its availability. 2. Choose a registered agent. Most states require LLCs to have a registered agent, which is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State or the appropriate state agency. This document typically includes basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and the purpose of the business. 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, voting rights, profit distribution, and other important aspects of the LLC. It's crucial for clarifying the rights and obligations of the members and can help prevent misunderstandings or disputes in the future.
5. Opting an Employer-Identifikation Number ein.
Apply for an EIN from the IRS, Internal Revenue Service. An EIN is necessary for opening bank accounts, filing taxes, and conducting other financial transactions on behalf of the LLC. 6. Open a bank account. Open a business bank account in the name of the LLC. Keep personal and business finances separate to maintain the limited liability protection offered by the LLC structure. 7. Comply with tax requirements. Understand the tax obligations of your LLC, which may vary depending on your jurisdiction and the nature of your business. File any necessary state and federal tax forms, such as income tax returns and annual reports. 8. Comply with securities laws, if applicable. If your LLC will be offering equity to investors, you may need to comply with securities laws and regulations. Consult with a legal advisor to ensure compliance with relevant laws, such as the Securities Act of 1933 and state securities regulations. 9. Maintain compliance. Fulfill ongoing compliance requirements, such as filing annual reports, paying fees, and adhering to any other regulations applicable to your LLC. 10. Seek professional assistance. Consider consulting with a business attorney and/or a tax advisor to ensure that all legal and financial aspects of setting up your LLC are handled properly. Remember that the specific requirements and procedures for setting up an LLC can vary depending on the laws and regulations of your jurisdiction. It's important to research and follow the relevant guidelines to establish your LLC correctly. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.